Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 16th chapter, that is importance of water. In previous video already I have told you what are the sources of water. Generally there are three main sources of water like rainwater, surface water and groundwater. But in previous video already we have studied about that what is that rainwater. Now today we are going to discuss in this video what is that groundwater and what is the surface water. Generally surface waters are we are getting from the sea, river, ocean, pond, lake. Okay, from that we are getting that waters. Generally these are called as what is that surface water. And these surface water are two types, like two way we are getting. One is ocean and a seas, that is a salty waters, and some waters we are getting surface water we are getting from the ponds, river, lake. These are the fresh water. Okay, so these are different two types of water we are getting in the surface from the surface. Now third one main source is called as groundwater. It is huge amount of groundwater we are getting after that rain, or that it will sink into that earth surface, and then after it will store under that earth. So by that different way we are collecting that water. So one that is called as a groundwater, the water which we are collecting from the under the ground, that is called as a groundwater. And that groundwater we are collecting by that wells and by that hand pumps, by the digging that earth surface. A different way where generally we are collecting the groundwaters. Okay, so let us discuss about that first. What is the surface of the surface water, and next we will discuss about that what is that groundwater. Surface water consists of water present in oceans and seas. So especially the surface waters are present in this very large amount of water are present in the ocean and the seas. Okay, that is generally not used for the consumption, but it is salty water, but it is the large amount of waters are present in the oceans and seas. That is a surface water. Next one is the rivers, lakes and stream and ponds. These are the some contents of waters and which are present like a river, oceans, rivers and ponds, lakes, streams. Okay, these are the generally fresh water we will get. So these are will for that we can possible to consume, but we are doing that filtration and we are consuming. This is outside surface water, so we have to do. Next we will discuss about the students groundwater. Groundwater, what is that? The water which is collected under the ground is called the groundwater. From the ground, if you will get that under the ground, the water is present in that under the ground that we are collecting, that is called as a groundwater. Okay, and the level of water under the ground is water table. So you have seen that now water table is very low. Water table means where that water layer is there, where that water source is there, where that all waters are there you have to dig up to that, and then after you will get the what is that water. So there, that is called as level of the water. Means suppose this is at the surface, if like the layers like that is there, in that one layer there water presence are there. So if you dig, this is called as a water table. You have to dig like this, then the water will come out. So this layer is, this is surface. This is surface. If you go to that under the surface ground, then you will get that down with that one layer. One layer is that like water also present. So if you dig that, then we will get the water. Groundwater is found in the wells, spring. It is used for the consumption. How we are what we are doing? With this groundwater, we are digging that and we are making the wells, or some springs also like way we are getting the groundwater. Okay. Well water is the pool of water that is obtained by digging the soil till it is in previous layers. In previous layer means there is one layer is there where you do not get that should not get like different gases or different liquids. Okay, like petroleum or other things I should not get that. Up to that you have to dig. Okay. The water which comes out with the pressure in the form of spring from any opening in the earth construction is the spring water. That means automatically in the overflow like a stream, that is called as a spring. The waters like that means pressure is there, because under the earth there is a heavy pressure is there. If sometimes we are opening, or automatically what will happen, it will burst and it will come out, or if you dig that automatically that water will flow, and no need to dig it, or it is not necessary to that water draw that, or by pumping or by the machinery. Okay, so automatically that water source will come out. That is called as what is that spring waters. The groundwater is also drawn by the tubewells and hand pumps, and sometimes in nearby houses you have seen that some hand pumps are there. If you dig that soil and that ground, and then after one pump, that one tubewell you should keep, and if you pressure with that piston like it is there, whenever pressure with it, that water will come out. These are the methods, so many way to how to find out that water. Nowadays your house inside motors are connected instead of hand pumps. That motors are connected automatically, electrically. If you switch on, that motors will take out the water from the ground. So already we have understood that there are three main sources. One is rainwater, another one is surface water, another one is groundwater. Okay students, so how is that consuming, which one is suitable for that? You groundwater specially used for that consumption. Okay, thank you all students, have a nice day. You should write all that in your notebook.